Hi everybody, I'm Rachel Rome. I live in Massachusetts. I just graduated my undergrad in psychology and theater from Dean College in December. The reason why I decided to pursue my master's degree now is because I had applied for a couple of full-time jobs and applied to a couple of schools, Widener being my top choice, obviously. Um, and I decided, well, hopefully one of these two things works out. Either I get a job, hopefully, or I'll be able to do school. Somehow I managed to do both. So I work full-time at MCI Concord, which is the prison in Concord, Massachusetts. So I work as a counselor for inmates there, not mental health counseling, like goal-oriented cognitive behavioral therapy. So I am learning. I'm the new person, I feel, in both school and work because I am only 22. I just started my career. I just graduated my undergrad, as I said. So everything's new to me, both in school and at work. I really like how school reinforces work, though, and work reinforces school, so that's awesome that I get to do both at one time. But I'm definitely very inexperienced, and it provides a good amount of anxiety for me, often. So I think as far as my stage in life development, as far as Erickson's stages of development, I'd be in isolation versus intimacy, and I think that I have trouble with the part of that stage in development where I have to share myself while also holding a strong sense of self. I feel like because of my inexperience and because I'm constantly faced with people who kind of know what they're doing way more than I do, I have trouble holding my sense of self, especially at work, because I'm working for the Department of Correction, so it's very strict. And I find myself like often at work kind of having to do things that I personally would not ever do or say. So it's been challenging to maintain that sense of self for me at work. So I'm hoping that this course and future courses will kind of help me learn that balance of being able to be myself as a professional, because like I said, all of this is very new for me. So I look forward to working with you all, and thanks for listening.